Now topic is beats. See, whenever we just make some sound, and that sound again we listen that with some other frequency. So this frequency, this combination of frequency is known as beats. So beats happen whenever two similar frequency, very small difference between these two frequencies combined, we will get another sound. That difference is called beats, right? So is, for example, we are having one displacement s1 is equal to a cos omega 1t, and another frequency, another displacement a cos omega 2t. So this is only one example we are taking. Now whole arrangement, whole displacement s is equal to s1 plus s2. So a cos omega 1t plus a cos omega 2t, right? And the now combination of these two, a common, now combination is the cos omega 1t plus omega 2t by 2, and cos omega 1t minus omega 2t by 2. So that is the cos plus cos 2 cos cos, right? So is equal to here, see now 2a cos, first I am writing here, so that is t common omega 1 minus omega 2 by 2, and another cos t common omega 1 plus omega 2 by 2. So that is whole equation, right? Now from this equation, if I am assuming omega b is equal to omega 1 minus omega 2 by 2, omega a is equal to omega 1 plus omega 2 by 2. So by these two combination of displacements, we are getting this whole equation which is totally different from these two, right? Now from this equation we can write omega a which is much greater than omega b, because this is the summation, right? So it is more than the subtraction. So 2 omega b is equal to omega 1 minus omega 2, 2 omega a is equal to omega 1 plus omega 2, right? So by this equation, now we have frequency b is equal to nu1 minus nu2. So both having very small change of frequency. Now I am this beats, I am representing it with a graph that if we are having one 11 hertz graph, so 11 hertz means 11 oscillations in 1 second, right? And another graph is of 9 hertz, 9 oscillations in 1 second, right? So this is 11 hertz, this is 9 hertz, and the difference, if they combine, now we are getting only 2 hertz further, and inside that little small frequencies are there. So this is of 2 hertz, and this is called beats of this frequency, right? So that's our topic, beats.